Hi, welcome to Python Polygon. So it's been a week since I started this channel, and I'm really grateful to every one of you who have watched my videos. At the time of recording, I have like 30 subscribers. I'm thankful to each and every one of you. You guys are a huge motivation for me. So let's begin today's topic. Today's topic will be profit and loss, a very small topic. Okay, it's all about basically if you see basically there is one equation we need to know. The selling price is equal to the cost price plus the profit. Okay, and if it's a negative, then it's the cost price minus loss. Okay, so this is called selling price. These two things we'll keep using. Okay, and again, profit percentage is profit by cost price by into 100, and loss percentage is loss by cost price into 100. Okay, that's all. Let's get into the questions. First question. Peter buys a bag at the price of 27.5 rupees. After some days, he sells it at the price of 28.9. What percentage is his gain? Okay. So, see, we have to find out his selling price is what now? 28.9, because this is what he sold it at. Okay. And his buying price was 27.5. So that becomes cost price, which is 27.5. Okay. So the profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay, and this is nothing but 28.9 minus 27.5, which is 1.4. Okay, so 1.4 rupees he made a profit. Okay, so his gain percentage is written as profit divided by the cost price, so 27.5. Okay, into 100. So this is nothing but 1.4 divided by 27.5. So it is 5.09%. Okay, so he made a 5% gain when he sold the bag. Fine, next question. A bookseller gains a profit of 10% after selling a book at the price of 27.5. Okay, if it is sold at a price of 25.75, find out the percentage of loss, okay, or profit on the book. Okay, we need to find out the loss or profit percent. Okay, that is nothing but again, loss or profit percent is nothing but percent, that is profit or loss divided by cost price into 100. Okay, so yeah, now the bookseller gains a profit of 10% when selling the book at 27.5. Okay, so if the gain is equal to 10%, selling price is equal to 1 plus 10 by 100 into cost price. Okay, so selling price is 110 by 100 into cost price, 10 into selling price by 11. Okay, so 27.5. So cost price equal to 10 into 27.5 by 11, which comes as 25. Okay, so cost price is 25 rupees. Fine. Now if he sold it at 25.75, his it is a gain, right? Because the selling price is more than cost price. So selling price minus cost price will give you the profit. So profit comes as 25 minus 25.75 minus 25. Okay. So profit comes as 0.75 rupees. Okay. So his profit percentage is nothing but 0.75, that is profit, divided by cost price 25 into 100. Okay. So this goes 1 times 4 times. So profit percent is given as 0.75 is, this is 3 into 3 into 4. Sorry, 3% profit. Yes. Next question. A shopkeeper sells an article at rupees 1140 and incurs a loss of 5% on it. For him to gain 5%, what price should it be sold? Okay. Fine. So he incurs a loss of 5%. That means selling price is equal to 1 minus 5 by 100, because 5% loss into cost price. Okay. Uh, so this selling price is nothing but 1140, right? So 1140 equal to 95 by 100 into cost price. So then the cost price comes as 100 into 1140 divided by 95. So this becomes 1200. Okay. Now from here, he needs to find a new selling price. Okay. Where he has to make a profit of 5%. Okay. So we write it as 1 plus 5 by 100 into cost price. Cost price came as 1200. Okay, we substitute that. These two zeros cancel. Selling price will become now 105 into 12 will be 12600. 1260, sorry. Yeah. Okay, next question. After selling 33 meters of a cloth, a shopkeeper makes a gain equal to the selling price of 11 meters of cloth. Okay, what percentage is his gain? Okay, so gain, let's say the selling price per meter is SP and cost price per meter is CP. Okay, fine. We'll not say per meter, but we'll understand it is per meter. Okay, so now what we need to know is the gain of 33 meters of cloth we need to find. Okay, gain for 1 meter of cloth is nothing but 1 into this thing, right? So gain for 33 will be nothing but 33 meter into gain for 1 meter is equal to 33 meter into selling price for 1 meter minus 33 meter into cost price of 1 meter. Okay, this is equal to this part, basically 33 meters that gain is equal to 11 meters of selling price. Okay, so this is nothing but 11 into selling price per meter is equal to 33 into selling price minus 33 into cost price. Okay, so we can cancel one, we can take this to this side, this to this side. We'll get 22 into selling price is equal to 33 into cost price. Okay, so selling price is nothing but 3 by 2 times cost price because it cancels 11 times. Okay, so percentage of his gain is nothing but selling price minus cost price by cost price. This is nothing but gain. Okay, gain into 100 obviously. So selling price is 3 by 2 cost price minus cost price by cost price, which is 0.5. So this is 0.5 into 100, which is 50. Okay, so 50% gain is there. Next question. A product is sold at two consecutive discounts of 30% and subsequently 40%. Product is sold at 1500. Then what is the marked price on the product? Okay, so this marked X is nothing but the selling price, which has a last discount of 40% because first the discount is 30%, then there's a 40% discount. Okay, now we need to find out that part. Okay, so this is nothing but there is a, if there is a 40% discount in the end, it will become 100 minus 40 by 100 into the cost price. Okay, cost price after one markup, we'll not worry about that, we'll call it Y. Okay, this is cost price after one markup, that is basically marked down here, discount it is. So Y is nothing but what, 100 minus 30 by 100 because there's a 30% discount. Okay, there's a 30% discount into the cost price. Okay, now the product is sold at 1500, so they've given us this price. Okay, now we need to find what is the marked price on the product. So then now if we substitute what is the number 1500 here, we'll get 1500 is equal to 60 by 100 into Y. So Y comes as, this cancels 3 times and 5 times, this cancels 500 times, and this comes as Y is equal to 2500. Okay, so at the first discount, the price drops from 2500 to 1500. Okay, now we need to find the actual price of the piece of cloth. So 2500 is equal to, now we substitute it here in this equation, we get 70 by 100 into cost price. Okay, so this and this cancels. You can take this side. You get the cost price as 25,000 divided by 7, which is nothing but 3571. Okay, this is the answer, 3571. Okay, next question. For a shirt, the cost price is equal to 400. Shopkeeper puts a tag on it with markup is equal to 20% to earn a profit of 7.5%. Okay, what is markup? Is what they're asking. See, markup is nothing but the actual discount, the actual profit he wants to earn. Okay, but he earns only 7.5%. See, markup is what you add, like, see, we can write cost price plus markup is equal to selling price. Okay, but this never happens. So basically if this is called MRP, okay, this is the actual like profit he wants to earn, but actual what the seller gets is nothing but cost price plus profit. Okay, this is somewhere less than the markup because there's always discounts and all that. Okay, so that is what it means. So he puts a markup of 20%, but he still earns only 7.5%. That's the idea. Okay, so we won't worry about that profit a lot. Now we'll just substitute the value of markup. Okay, now we know selling price equal to cost price plus markup. Okay, if markup is 20% of the cost price, then markup is nothing but 20 by 100 into cost price 400. So this is nothing but 80. Okay, so the markup is 80 bucks. Fine. Next question. If the cost price of 15 pence is equal to selling price of 20 pence, what is the gain or loss? Okay. Cost price of 15 pence, 15 into cost price equal to 20 into selling price. Okay. Now we need to find gain or loss, right? We can write this as selling price is equal to 3 by 4 into cost price because 15 threes are 5 threes are 5 fours are. Okay, so gain percent is what? Gain is nothing but selling price minus cost price, but here we can see that selling price is less, so it will become cost price minus selling price, that is loss percentage, divided by cost price. Okay, so this comes as 1/4 cost price divided by cost price because selling price is 3/4 and cost price is one full. So this comes as 1 by 4 into 100, that is nothing but 25%. This is a loss. Okay, 25% loss. Next question. A fruit seller sells all his bananas at the cost but gives 15% less bananas than he should give. Okay. Find his profit percent. So we suppose he sold 100 bananas. Okay. If he sold 100 bananas, he doesn't make a profit on paper, but he gives 15% less. Okay. So he gives only 85 bananas. Okay. But he charges for 100. So the selling price of the other 15 bananas is considered as profit. Okay, this is considered as profit. Now his cost price will be nothing but 85, right? Because like he's not giving all the 100 bananas, he's giving only 85 bananas. So that is his cost price. Selling price is for 100 bananas because he's a scammer. Okay, so now what we find out is profit percentage. Profit percent is given as selling price minus cost price by cost price. Okay, so he sold how many 100. Okay, so the price of 100 he made profit, minus 85 is his cost price and divided by 85. So this comes as 15 by 85 and this is all into 100. Okay, so this is also into 100 and this comes as, this is 17.64%. Okay, so this is his profit percentage, 17.64. The last question. A person bought 3 oranges for 2 rupees and sold 2 oranges for 3 rupees. What is his profit percentage? Oh, first we'll find out his cost price per orange. Okay, so he bought 3 oranges for 2 rupees. So if he paid 2 rupees for 3 oranges, this is orange, this is rupees. Then for 1 rupee, 1 orange, how much he paid? Okay, so we simply cross multiply. We get it as 2 by 3. Okay, so he paid 2 by 3 of a rupee for 1 orange. Okay, and he sold 2 oranges for 3 rupees. So we'll calculate the selling price. So 2 oranges for 3 rupees. So 1 orange for 1.5 rupees. Okay, so his selling price per orange is 1.5. His cost price per orange is, this is nothing but 0.666. Okay, now we have to find out his profit percentage. So profit percentage is given by his selling price minus his cost price divided by his cost price into 100. This comes as 125% profit. Okay, so this is his profit percentage. He makes 125% profit on his orange. Okay, per orange. By this we come to the end of this topic. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next topic.